Hello,
Uh,
Hans. Yes, good morning.
no.
Hello, how are you today?
Okay, fine.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
fine.
Okay, you can say I'm
We
fine,
have school
teacher.
earlier.
Oh, you okay. Okay, so what happened? How was it? How was it?
Mm,
It's good? Ooh, what did you do?
I do computers and like write what a spelling test on Friday.
Oh, I see. So, yeah, can you spell it out again? What is the spelling for the word Friday?
Hmm?
What is the spelling for the word Friday? How do you spell it out?
F
F and then
R
R
I
I
D
D
A
A and
Y.
Y. Wow. Great job. Okay, so did you do it in school?
I already do it in a couple months
Oh,
ago.
oh, a couple months ago. All right. Are you done with your
I think
dinner?
I will start school on August.
Oh, August. So it's so long. Yeah, okay. So are you done with your dinner?
I don't have dinner yet. I
Oh,
think
what are
the
you
food
eating?
is not finished cooked. I am eating with my corn.
Oh, corn. Okay, it's okay. Okay, just eat. Okay, no problem with that. Okay. So yesterday, Hans, we learned about what did we learn yesterday? It's all about context.
Loose.
Yes, that's right. So yes, okay. Yesterday
A
we learned
hidden
about
sentence and a word
yes, it's a
that
hint
help us
or
don't know.
very good. So it's a hint, okay, or a clue that we can found.
Yeah. How can I erase this? How can I erase that?
Oh no. All right. So, yeah, you don't need to write down here. Okay. So, let's erase it. Oh, there. All right. So, okay. So, okay. Yesterday, hence we learned
We
about
didn't
context
finish our
clues.
context clues.
Yeah. So, it's a hint or a clue that we can found in the sentence, and it helps us to understand the words that we don't know. Okay. So, are we good on that lesson? Hands?
Yes.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
Today, we're gonna learn a new lesson. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for our new lesson today?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to learn about the shades of meaning. Okay, so what is our lesson for today?
Sense of meaning.
Yes, what are shades of meaning? So, what does it mean when we say the shades of meaning?
Like shade, like shade the meaning of the word. Nah.
Okay.
Ah,
So here we are going to learn, okay, the shades of the meaning. So meaning, you can distinguish the subtle different
nah.
meanings of similar words. Okay, so you're gonna learn on that one. So for example, okay, what happened?
Huh?
Oh, here.
What?
Okay, what happened?
I
No.
don't know.
Okay, let's stop it. All right, here.
Well,
All right, so here. Okay, so let's start with what are shades of meaning. Okay, so when we say shades of meaning, okay, let's have this one. Hands. Okay, can you please read this one? Words can.
words can be like colors.
Uh,
Blue can be light blue or dark blue. Words can also be light or strong. Nah.
yes, very good. Okay, so like shades of meaning, okay, words can also be like colors. So let's say for the colors, when we say blue, there are different, okay, there are different, what? Kinds of blue. We have the light blue or the dark
Dark blue.
blue. That's right. So for the words, we can also, okay, use, or we can also have shades of meaning. For the words, okay, like for example, light, for the word light, or for the word strong. Okay, so I'll
Right.
give you, that's right. I give you some example. Okay, so hence always remember that some words can be light or strong. Okay, so and some words mean almost the same thing. Okay, they mean almost the same thing, but what? But one word is stronger than the
The
other.
other word.
Yes, very good. So again, hence,
Some
what is it?
words mean almost the same thing, but one word is stronger than the other.
Okay, so the one word is stronger than the other. Okay, so what does it mean? So some words, they are almost the same meaning. They have the same meaning. They almost the same thing, but there are words, or there are one word that we use that is stronger than the
The
other. Okay.
other.
Yes, I'll give you an example for it. Okay, I'll give you an example. Okay, so here. So let's have this examples.
Where?
Okay, I'm gonna put it down here. Okay, so we have 3 examples
If I
here.
drop my pencil, I might be upset.
Okay, what is the next one? If I,
If I lost my favorite toy, I might be angry.
okay, the last one, if,
If someone breaks my favorite toy on purpose, I might be furious.
furious. Okay, now, okay, so here, what are the words that we have in the sentences that have the same meaning, or that almost the same? So we have first, we have the word
Upset.
upset. And then on the second sentence, what word?
Angry.
Angry. Okay. How about on the third sentence?
Furious.
Furious. Okay. So now let's learn what are the different meanings of each word here. Okay. Let's learn the shades of meaning of the 3 words. Okay. So do they have the same meaning?
No.
No? Okay, so let's have it. Okay, so for our 3 words here, hence, okay, so let's explain it. So first, for number 1, if I drop my pencil,
I
I
might be
might be upset. Okay, when we say upset, what does it mean?
sad.
When we say upset, what does it mean?
Sad.
Here, when we say upset, it means
I drop my pencil.
here. And the can you just can you just see the examples that I have put it here? Here.
Plain. Upset.
Okay.
A little feeling.
Okay, when we say upset, what does it mean? What does it mean?
Little feeling.
A little feeling, or you're feeling
Angry
a little bit
is
sad.
strong.
Okay, so but when we say angry, you're from, or it's a little bit stronger. Okay, you feel a little bit stronger than upset. Okay, upset, you're feeling just, okay, you just feel bad. Okay, but when you say angry, it's a little bit stronger. Okay, so you're a little bit angry. Okay, how about when we say furious?
Very strong.
Very strong, or you're very angry of something. So that is these are the examples of shades of meaning, okay? They're almost the same thing, but one word is stronger than the other,
The
okay?
other.
Yes,
Very
all right.
furious is stronger than angry and upset.
Very good. That's right. Great job. So, okay, is it clear, Hans?
Yes.
All right, now I will give you another example, okay, so that you will better understand it. Okay, so let me put it
Man,
here. Mm-hmm.
I'm already here. What's that?
Okay, I'm gonna show you this one. I will show you this here. Okay, so we had an
Happy,
emoji. Okay, we have an
excited, thrilled. Ah, what's it?
okay. These are examples of shades of meaning. So when we say happy, okay, okay, how do you act it? How do you um
Smiling?
yeah, how do you if you're gonna use your face, how do you show me a happy face?
No.
So you're simply just okay. How do you show me your happy face?
No.
No? Why? Are you shy with teacher? Okay, so when we say happy, just like in the emoji here, how do we do it? Or just simply happy. But how about if we're gonna say excited?
Yeah,
So yes, that's right. So it's a little bit stronger than happy. So you're excited, okay, of something. But how about Hans if we're gonna say you're thrilled of something? So your eyes So you're so excited. Yeah, you're gonna shout or you're gonna jump because you are so thrilled of something. So that is how we
I was
explain.
thrilled earlier at the gym.
Oh, wow. How about excited? How do you use it in the sentence? How do we use excited in the sentence? Okay, how do we?
I was excited when my birthday came.
Oh, very good. Okay, how about if it is a happy word? Just you're just happy. How do you use it in a sentence?
Mm,
How do you use happy in a sentence? I am
happy.
okay, or you can say I am happy today. Okay. So
I
okay.
am happy at school today. No.
Oh, very good. That's correct. I am happy. Okay, at school today. All right. So okay. So again, for the shades of meaning, Hans. So words have almost the same or words they are almost the same thing but then one word is stronger than the other, just like for example when you say excited it is stronger than being
Happy.
happy. Yes, how about for thrilled?
Thrill. I can make a thrill in a sentence.
Oh wow, okay, let me see it.
I was thrilled earlier at school at gym because we won in a basketball team. No.
Wow, okay, that's great. Very good. Okay, good job. That's a correct sentence. I was thrilled at school today because we won in a basketball game. Is it a basketball game?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Congratulations on that, Hans. All right, so I'll give you an example, another example. Okay, so how about on this one? How about this?
Small, big, huge. Elephant is so huge.
Yes, okay, so
But
okay, as you can
but
see on
the
the words,
but the head of the puppy emoji was huge, was bigger than the elephant.
that's right. Okay, but
The same as N.
we are referring to the whole elephant. Okay, it's not in the picture, but the real and the whole elephant. It's so
Yeah.
huge. That's right. Okay, so can you understand now what are shades of meaning?
Mm,
Okay, so when we say small, it's like the ant. It's so
Wow,
small.
because
It's
it
tiny.
cannot handle
Yes. Very good. Okay, but when we say big, okay, so for
a
example, we
dog.
have the
It's
a
big,
dog. It's
a
big
little
than
big,
it's bigger than the
and
ant. Okay, but when you say huge,
the elephant is huge than any. I mean,
yes, it's huge. It's very big. Okay, it's large in size. It's very
but
big. Okay,
giraffe is bigger.
yeah, very good. But the giraffe is the biggest one. Okay, all right.
But
But
the
today,
longest neck.
oh yes, correct. So today, are you ready to answer the activity? Hands.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, okay. Let me check it first here. All right. So today we're gonna answer. Okay, you are going to put the correct shades of meaning of each words that we have here. Okay. Are you ready for that, Hans?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It seems that you're excited. All right, so here. Okay.
The
So,
lady has started a screen share.
okay. All
Big,
right. Let
skinny,
me
bad,
okay, let
good.
me zoom it in so that it will be easy for you. All right. So, hence today we're going to answer the shades of meaning. So, let's read the instruction. Okay, what is the direction we have in each row?
In each row, write two similar words in order from weakest to
Weakest to
strongest.
okay. So, okay, just like on our examples for the small, the big, and the huge, okay? So you have to give two similar words from weakest to strongest, okay? So let's read the meaning inside the box here.
Words can have similar meanings but different strengths.
Strength, okay. So words can have similar meanings, but they have different strength, okay? Some are weak, some are strong, okay? So here, let's read the words that we have inside the box, okay?
Big, scared, bad,
Here,
good.
inside the box, we have
Oh,
fantastic,
fantastic, frightened,
okay? Then
whispered, limp,
vast,
vast,
next,
defend, great,
great, next,
not terrible,
terrible, and then
sprint, shield, run, huge,
run,
motor,
huge,
terrified,
utter, terrified,
roll, dreadful, not.
dreadful. Okay, again,
The
dreadful.
first one was big. Wait, I have to erase it.
Yeah, I can do it. All right, there.
Now I
So,
can do.
okay, so on this part, okay, hence you are going to choose your answer from the box, okay?
This will be huge. Big
Okay,
will be huge.
okay. You have to write from weakest to strongest, okay? Make sure you have to write the weakest here, then the strongest one here. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start.
Start. Oh,
Yes. Let's start with the first word. What is the
it's
first word?
small. I mean, is this huge? No, I said small to huge.
You have to choose your answer from the box
Okay.
here. Okay, so you need to choose your answer hands inside this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with the word big.
Why is my thing like this? This will be huge.
Okay. The last one should be
Huge.
Huge. Very good. Okay, so if it's hard, hence I can write it for you. Okay.
Finish.
All right. Okay. How about the strongest word for big?
Yeah, can you write it?
What is the strongest word for big?
Huge.
Huge. And the other one here? The strongest one.
Mm,
Okay, let's erase huge. Okay, and then what is the strongest meaning of the word big?
what is shield?
Mm-hmm. Okay,
What
what
is
is it?
shield? Shield.
Again, what word?
Shield. What is shield?
Shield. Shield. Okay, what is shield? When we say shield, it is something used to protect. So you are using something to protect.
Oh,
Okay, that's it. Okay, now, okay.
I
Okay,
think
let's
it's
start with big.
something is.
Okay, just ask if you don't know the meaning of the word, okay? So I'm gonna give you the meaning on it.
Yes, I don't know.
Okay, what other words?
Mm,
What other words that you don't know?
limp.
Limp. Okay, what does it mean when you say limp? Okay, meaning to walk with difficulty because something hurts. Okay, so you cannot walk easily, okay? You are walking, you walk difficult because something hurts. Okay, that is limp. Okay, to walk with difficulty because you are hurt. Something hurts.
What about fast?
Fast,
Va
vast. Vast, it means very large, a big space.
what?
Vast, meaning it's very large, a big space.
No.
All right, okay, so the strongest, okay, word for big is the word
Fast. No.
vast. Very good, correct. Okay, so the weakest,
Yeah.
hence the weakest is the word
Big.
big, and then huge,
Huge.
and then
Vast.
fast. Okay, how about for the word scared? Now we're on scared.
Scared.
Okay, so here before you
Terrified. That's the. The terrified. The strongest one.
okay, all right. So you can put it down. So
Ter-
terrified is the strongest one.
I
Okay,
think
very good.
it's so terrified. I think it is so
Terrified.
hard. I think it is so hard.
Okay, do you want me to write it down for you? Okay, so I'm gonna write it down.
Yes.
All right. Okay, let's put terrified here. It is the strongest one. Okay. How about the weakest?
Mm, what is different? No, I know that.
What
Mm,
word?
what is frightened? No,
Frightened. Oh, frightened. When we say frightened, it means that you're feeling, okay, you're feeling a little bit scared. You're feeling scared. When you say frightened, okay. All right, so I'm gonna give you all the meanings of the words inside the box. Hence, okay, so that you have an idea here. Okay, so you need to listen very well, okay? So let's have fantastic. So what does it mean when we say fantastic? It's
mm,
very, very
good.
good. That's right, correct. Okay, so when we say frightened, what does it mean? You're feeling?
A
You're
little
feeling
scared.
scared. Okay, you're feeling scared. When you say whisper, when we say
I
whisper,
whisper to someone else.
yeah, to talk very quietly. Okay, you're just whispering something to someone. Okay, yeah, okay, that's correct. Also, you're talking to someone. Okay, how about when we say defend? You
Mm.
protect someone or something. Okay, it's defend. It's defend. Okay, you protect someone or something. Are we good? Are we good? Okay. How about when we say great? It's
Good.
wonderful. Yes, it's wonderful. It's very good. Wonderful. Okay, that is great. But when we say terrible, how about when we say terrible?
Bad.
Bad. It's very bad or unpleasant. Okay. How about when we say sprint?
I don't know.
To run very, to
Fast.
run very fast for a short time. That is
What does
sprint.
a stroll mean?
Stroll. Okay. So when we say stroll, okay, how do you understand stroll? You walk slowly and calmly, okay? Not in a hurry, okay? You just walk slowly. That is stroll, okay? Now, how about if we're gonna say dreadful?
Dreadful. Where is dreadful? Dreadful. Oh, it's there.
Dreadful is very, very bad. Okay, it's very bad or very, okay, scary. That is dreadful, okay? Or we can say
Dreadful is
it,
bad.
it was a dreadful day because I felt sick. So it was a very bad day because I felt sick. So that is dreadful. Okay. How about when we say crawl?
Like starting to crawl.
Yeah, you just crawling like your little brother. Okay,
Start crawl.
that's right. When we say mutter,
What? Oh, no, I don't know.
when we say mutter, you're speaking quietly and not clearly. Okay, you just speak quietly, but it's not clear. Okay, I cannot hear you clearly. That is mutter. Okay. How about when we say run?
Stroll.
Okay, you just run. Okay, you just run to move fast on your feet. Okay, so are we good? Are we good on that? Hands? The meaning of the words?
Mm-mm.
Okay, did you get it?
Yes.
All right. Okay,
Yes,
so
we're
now,
talking.
okay, so before we proceed in answering the activity here, I will give you 3 minutes break. Okay, so that you can refresh your mind. Okay, input all the meaning of the words that we learned. Okay, so that after this break, we can definitely answer it correctly. Okay.
Mm-mm.
All right. So let's have our 3 minutes break first. Hand, see you after it. Okay. Goodbye for now.
Boy.
All right.